Hola chicos, buenas tardes. Hello everybody, it's time for more Spanish. Let's start by warming up, by practicing our numbers. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's do 2 more, 15 and 16. 15, 16. Okay, we're going to go a lot quicker now, counting all the way to 16, nice and quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can't hear you, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Muy bien. Okay, so yesterday we were practicing saying different unhealthy foods. So we had, remember what these were? They're patatas fritas. Okay, we also had some biscuits. Biscuits are galletas. One more time. Galletas. Oh, we also had sweets, chuches. Sweets, chuches. And my other unhealthy food was cake. Tarta. Cake. How do I say cake? Tarta. Muy bien. We also practice saying things that I want. So I want biscuits. In Spanish would be Quiero galletas. Mum, I want some biscuits. Mamá, quiero galletas. Today we're going to practice with some healthy options. Okay, let's see what they are. An apple. Una manzana. Repeat after me. Una manzana. One more time. Una manzana. Una manzana. Un plátano. Un plátano. Un plátano. Easy this one. Un kiwi. Un kiwi. Your turn. Un kiwi. And underneath this book, you've got an orange. Una naranja. Una naranja. Muy bien. One more time. Una naranja. Let's see how much you can remember. Una manzana. Un kiwi. Un plátano. And this hard one, una naranja. Very good. Let's practice that in some sentences. This time we're going to say something we don't want and then say something that we do want. For example, I don't want biscuits, I want an orange. No quiero galletas, quiero una naranja. One more time, listen to that carefully. No quiero galletas, quiero una naranja. Your turn. See if you can say the full sentence. No quiero. Muy bien. No quiero galletas, quiero una naranja. I don't want crisps, I want an apple. What do you think it could be? No quiero patatas fritas, quiero una manzana. Muy bien. One more time. No quiero patatas fritas, quiero una manzana. Muy bien. Sweets, what were sweets? Chuches. And this one, really easy. Kiwi. I don't want sweets, I want a kiwi. No quiero chuches, quiero un kiwi. One more time. No quiero chuches, quiero un kiwi. Muy bien. And last but not least is, I don't want cake, I want a banana. No quiero tarta, quiero un plátano. Your turn. Good, one more time. No quiero tarta, quiero un plátano. Muy bien, chicos. And that was our lesson for today. So, goodbye. We'll say goodbye to Smokey's friend. Oh, look what we... Oh, no, manzana. See you later. Bye-bye.